define the curriculum from different perspectives. So, a model has been developed that proposes 5 different perspectives on the curriculum: the ideal, formal, perceived, operational, and experiential. Each perspective has a different data source, and it is hypothesized that each perspective will produce a different picture of the curriculum. Number 2. Describe the nature and scope of curriculum. So, what is the nature of the curriculum? The term curriculum stands for the totality of planned learning experiences offered to a student in a school. Thus, curriculum means the total situation selected and organized by the institution and made available to the teacher to operate and to translate the ultimate aim of education into reality. What is the scope of the curriculum? The scope refers to the area's development addressed by the curriculum. The sequence includes plan and material for learning experiences to support the extent children learning at various levels of development. Curriculum is highly academic and is concerned with broad historical, philosophical, psychological, and social issues. From a traditional view, curriculum is mostly written documents such as syllable, course of study book, and reference, where knowledge is found but is used as a means to accomplish intended goals.